Hello, Paul here from EMD Motorsport at Caringbah. Got this Porsche 996. We've done the actual full what do you call sorry, today we're doing the actual water pump. Water pump there. So we got finally got the actual metal impeller. That's the old one. You can see it's starting to leak already around, and this has got the plastic impeller. This one here. So it's not really ideal to have this on your Porsche 996 or 986. So we're fitting the actual metal one to the actual here, this vehicle here, to the actual part. So just a quick video to see. Actually, I'll show you the top part we took off already, so you can see it there. So we took the airbox off so we can get to the top bolts for the water pump, and some of the hoses and the actual thermostat was removed, so we can actually do this job properly. It's actually pretty dry. This is the actual engine that we actually done the actual engine swap on. So look how dry this car is compared to some of the others I see. So this used to be a 3.4 and now it's a 3.6 with a very lift. So the biggest difference between 3.4 and 3.6 is cam lift. So intake cam lift is the biggest difference. And more horsepower, more torque everywhere on the rev range. Okay, so let's just get this done and then we'll do another picture and things like that. We'll do the fuel filter as well. The last thing we're going to do will be the actual PCM inside. We'll do that last, but we want to finish all this. We'll do a brake fluid flush as well. The brake fluid is pretty bad, and then hopefully the customer can pick it up next week so we can finish all this work. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.